Chuck and I are heading to the Mayday 2024. Man, it is raining so bad, and that's the problem with the Larks field. If it gets a ton of water, it kind of turns into a swamp and makes it a challenge getting the trailer in and out. Yeah, so Barney's been here. He got in this morning, probably about 4 or 5. That's his rig right there, the first one. That's where I was at last year. Looks like they got a couple other campers here. I know a couple of other guys have already canceled. I think Carrie and Simon have said they're probably not gonna make it, but I don't know. Hopefully we'll still have a pretty good turnout. I think Jason said Jason Hunter's gonna try to make it, so that'd be nice to see him for sure. Here, and it's just raining, but Scott and Barney got me lined up right beside Barney. It worked out perfect. Outside of the rain and the water, but man, we got our awning set up. Barney's beside mine, going the other direction, so we got a good open, protected area from the rain. There we go. Made us some fajitas. What? So it's raining so bad. All the earthworms are coming up onto the concrete so they don't drown. There's earthworms everywhere. That's a big one too. So Ernie went and got JC from the New Orleans airport. Got him, so that worked out perfectly because he lives right there by the airport. So that water keeps dripping on Chuck, and every now and then Chuck will wipe his head and drop on him some more. Man, it's coming down now. Hopefully it'll be out of here an hour or so. Jason can have the concrete spot right here then. All right, about 3:52 in the afternoon. Finally quit raining. Oh yeah, auto out of the water.
That's a fishing lake right there.
We're gonna try this again. The first flight, I'm assuming, of Mayday 2024. The Whiplash Gasser. Oh, it's an Interceptor?
Sinclair. That's right. Yeah, I know. I'm out.
Sinclair.
That's right. Because I know what happens on a torque tube helicopter.
He just flew like this.
When the tail flies out the back of the torque tube helicopter, guess what?
Somebody forgot his bolts.
While it's flying.
That thing flew great for having a tail boom like this. Oh, see, getting his first flight in with Barney's Soxus. I think that's that low head speed one.
Oh yes, that's a bird. And out on the field, flying. If we get out of there,
my Blade 700 love on. Which one is this, Barney? This is the light. So 771 Soxus. Clear outside, beautiful. Chuck likes to work on his helicopters on the TV tray, so he'll feel at home. Our view of the flight line from in here. Go get us some dinner somewhere. Needed some place called Navroski's. Freaking bad to the bone, baby. How's that chicken fried steak?
I can't pick it up with this plastic.
Oh no! This is the hickory burger with, I think it's Sweet Baby Ray's. I don't know. That's good though. Oh,
That's why you can fly.
Barney's dropping his burger. Jason made it. Good deal. All right, so Jason is flying with the virtual reality. Pyro flips in one spot and getting better, dude. That's pretty good.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to. It'll have to go through completely recalibrating.
No. I mean, we ain't got to do it tonight. I'm saying I want to try it on because I have next. Close your legs.
Hang on.
Because I'm gonna lay the transmitter in your
Oh,
legs.
right. Well, no, I'm gonna put it in my hand.
Well, there, yeah, that'll
There
work.
you go.
All right. Yeah. So I gotta look. Yeah. Oh, this is.
Didn't it amazing,
I
dude?
gotta have that.
Hey, they've gotten cheap.
I've got to have, so you're going to send me some links or whatever. You got to do you a little bit of research.
No, that's fine. Hey, but listen. The thing is, I'm telling you. Yeah, no. Next first.
Chuck, you just like me. Your mouth is wide open, just like mine when I was flying for the first time. So Chuck and I just finished watching the last batch final episode. That was cool. He's as crazy about it as I am. So now he's working on his helicopter. Hopefully we can get that sorted out for this afternoon. Maybe you can get a maiden on that, maiden flight. So that'd be good. Jason just gave Chuck a new set of blades.
I mean, we can drill them real quick. We can drill them. Well,
Oh, there you go.
all right, let me give you. There's that bolt. Let's see if that bolt goes in there.
All right, so they got their, let's see here, E-Flight KDA. Anybody seen trouble? Oh, there he is. Spiegel. Got his 700. He's figuring to have to go fly here in a little bit. Poor Spiegel, he just wants to fly a helicopter so bad. He goes out there and all of a sudden the bottom falls out on him.
I crashed it. So they had these on clearance at Buddy RC for $45 a
You
pair.
gotta be
What?
shit.
No, man. So Spiegel's becoming Aquaman. He out there flying in the rain again. That is dedication, man. That is good. Nice. Bill Jet Ranger. Barney with his Success 6. Is that a strike or strike 6-1? Chris from Florida is freaking spanking this thing. Hey, good, man.
Look at that. You get that, Roger?
Oh, heck yeah.
Chris from Florida.
Yeah. So I just dunked it. So Spiegel gonna dry it for me. So we're getting in some. This is Gowie. Getting this Gowie action. Beating on his S4. Woo! Good Lord, man. Blair flying. I think it's a goblin. Simon getting him some nitro action. And I did not catch which helicopter that is. Gain is a little high. Ooh, crap, blade strike. Yow. Stayed in the pocket though. Didn't let him throw him. Jason getting his love on. Chuck, you missing it. You're missing it, Chuck. Jason's flying. You were here, Chuck. Starting to fill up now. So which heli is this? Velocity 50. Everybody went to go eat at the seafood place. So I got the field all to myself. I don't know if y'all can see that rainbow right there behind the helicopter. I need to do a rainbow. Because there's a rainbow. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all taking care of Chuck and getting him over there to the dialysis, man. I didn't want to have to unhook my trailer and do all that if I didn't have to, and so that, I appreciate you.
I wasn't gonna let him not come just because of that.
Right. Oh yeah, this is definitely more visible right here for sure. Oh, Spiegel's helicopter. I like that. That's pretty.
When you say you gain speed, though, momentum.
So Blair's getting him some. With his little night rig. Good Lord, he can fly. Helping him with the lights. I'm filming him. And then Chris over there is helping him with lights as well. Oh, shit! Alright, I can't do filming and doing lights.
Wow.
Okay.
How much?
And it can be mine for how much?
How much? Y'all tell me. Orange?
Y'all figure out how much you want to
come
pay
to
for
Baton
these in the
Rouge.
box. I got one built ready to fly.
And I'll route you on it.
I got a line.
That's a good charger.
I got it. Yeah, that's a very good charger. And it's free. Yeah. No.
Probably so well if you put it that way.
Nitro. Extra capping. All the servos.
John trying to get rid of stuff.
Does this still got motor and servos and stuff in it?
No motor, servo.
Hold up, man.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, there's more. Buy now.
There's more.
Buy now. You can get it.
You get a free manual. It can be yours.
So Blair and Spiegel are gonna try to keep the lights on for Chris. Lord, Chris. Good night, Chris. So pooted. So last year Barney woke me up with flying this helicopter, so hopefully this year I can beat him to the punch. Barney's helis in his trailer. I'm always in awe every time I come in here. JC's getting Sean's helicopter all smoothed out. And it is raining again on this Saturday. Barney don't care. He's gonna fly anyways. And there's Barney. Ernie said, screw it. I'm gonna fly, because he hadn't had a chance to fly yet either, I don't think. Or I think he started to fly once. Greg came out, brought an umbrella so Ernie doesn't get wet. He gets his fly on. Nice of him. I don't think Chuck ever did that for me. JC is flying John's Soxus. Not sure which one that is. But he ain't scared, I know that. He's got his camera over there. He's been taking some high quality photos. Another good flight by JC, flying John's stuff. And get some high quality photos by Joel. Alright. JC got Sean's heli all set up on the bench, so now they're gonna go test it out. Alright, so JC's opening it up a little bit on Sean's helicopter. It's raw, SAD raw. Oh yeah. Look, you got it lined out now. Sean is taking control of his helicopter, see how it feels. Since JC got it all kind of lined out for him. So apparently JC keeps tripping the breakers. This AC joint.
The deal is, you gotta like, it's, you know, at that head speed, if you make a back correction,
2600.
just explode. You know what I mean?
Wow.
So you gotta be like real clean. They got hotter setups than I do, and it seems pretty fast. Yeah, it just kind of hanging in there by a rail. Huh?
What's that speed control?
Scorpion 300.
Flying down there. John flying right here. And Jason flying right there. Got 3 heli boxes going now. Simon getting his fly on. John just flew his, and then Ethan flew his plane. Greg, man, he is stinking that.
What is that? I'm not sure what that is. I think it might be an Align helicopter.
JC is flying Barney's Soxus again.
That's a pack, right? Yeah, they just put them in a stick like that. Yeah. Put it on mine.
They got a table. They got Chuck's table. So Blair is about to fly his Comet racing helicopter. Going against the wind right there. Going with the wind right there. I'm talking about. Blair says he has to land it in the grass because it doesn't really have skids that are meant to touch the concrete.
Yeah. Right in the grass.
There he is. Good job, Blair. Tell them about the drone. You crash the drone every now and then. That's Greg Duplessis.
What was that you were just flying? Nimbus, yeah, Nimbus.
Oh, that's big. Gosh, Jason.
I'm ready to go.
Oh, crap.
That is the only crash that's happened all weekend
I was
long.
pulling
all
my
weekend.
phone out.
Something happened to that one.
Oh, jeez, man.
I know something
He's got an exact copy of that helicopter.
Oh, dang, Jason.
It had a bad face.
Oh, my gosh. That was
He's got an
awful.
exact copy of that
Dang it.
I got parts to fix it. I'll probably fix it if I can.
Broke the skids, broke the tail link.
Oh, yeah.
Chipped up the blades, mane and tail. I think he really did scrap himself. So Chris was throwing it down last night, and I was sitting out there on the flight line with Chris, and he was just throwing it at the ground. And all in the back, we could hear Chuck say, "Oh dang, I just scrapped myself," thinking that Chris had just hit the was going to hit the ground. But anyway, it was funny, and I think Chuck may really have.
Yeah, you're right.
That's pretty good turnout.
Diversify.
I'll tell you one thing about it.
So Chuck, Roger's is gonna fly. You wanna go see him fly? Oh, all right, we'll go film him then. You watch him wake up. Rogers getting his fly on. Joel spotting for him. While Blair spanks it down there. Enough? Oh, well, shoot. I got you. Talk about Mr. Bo Hinch and all he does for everything. Wesley, the CD, is congratulating JC and coming and helping us out a lot. I think Jason Hunter's rebuilding something. He probably got an award for the most devastating crash, if I had to guess. Best crash. Yeah. Jason won the big crash award with this helicopter. Got it rebuilt already. Hopefully the tracking looks like it's okay. Might be all right. Wish I trusted myself enough to fly this close to myself. So Barney's flying his little slow speed Soxus, whatever the crap it is. What is this, Barney? Is that the 7-1 Light? That's Kevin flying his heli.
Roger Wilson, Mayday 2024, Saturday late afternoon. It didn't rain today, but it's been overcast and the sun's out, so Roger just charged his 2 packs for the Blade 700, and we're gonna get a good flight here.
Finally, some sun, man. It's been raining.
Yeah, it rained here. We got here Thursday, it was raining. It rained most of the day Friday, And this is the most time that we've been able to fly is today on Saturday, a late afternoon. Got somebody over here flying, but I'm gonna get my friend Roger here with his Blade 700. That canopy color shows up well, especially against this blue sky. Nice touchdown.
Feeling that. I don't know. The wind started picking up.
Yeah, it's definitely, we didn't have to deal with the wind today. Anyway, Roger Wilson, Blade 700, Mayday 2024, late Saturday afternoon. Catch you guys on the flip side.
Yeah, I believe.
Blair
The
just
belt's still good?
put it
Oh,
in.
you got the belt.
This is a total loss.
bad, man.
That's a rekit, 100%. Hammer him some bondo and it'll be fine.
Spiegel getting his steam action. John getting his sockers. And Chris got his goblin. And they just turned on the lights. Chuck's supposed to be flying his 450, but he ain't. So there are millions of freaking gnats, man. They had chewed me up. So I'm finna go get my shower, dude. Spiegel gonna fly his little night bird again. I trust they'll have fun. Alright, got the room prepared for Chuck. He's still out there watching the guys fly. This is my vantage point. Is that Spiegel? I can't tell. Anyway, great group of guys. It was so much fun. I'm fixing to crash. Sunday morning, we packing up and heading out. It's raining again, man. But had a good sleep last night. The guys flew till early in the morning, and so they had a good time. I had a good time. Definitely worth doing. Somebody did some night flying last night. I love how he's got his lights on here. Bet that thing shows up well. Hate that I missed that. So I had a good weekend. Got to catch up with old friends and do something that I love. And I just dropped off Chuck, and I'm heading back to the house now. And there's this car wreck right here, slowing me up. But we'll be home soon enough. Can't wait to hug my wife and